Hey guys, Nisi here, back with an unboxing video. I have a lovely video for you guys showing you what I got from the book outlet. And I'm very excited about my new goodies. And of course, their book outlet had just a wonderful sale. Well, they're always having a sale. Just everything at book outlet is always really super cheap. But let me jump right on into this. Here is my gigantic box. And book outlet is what we're going to be doing today. Okay, guys. So my box is busted on both ends, all open and stuff. So let's make sure we have everything in here. Getting out the old trusty scissors. And these scissors are just getting dull or something. I need to hurry up and get something. Get my lemon knife out or something. Okay, well that was simple enough. Oh wait, no. Cut the other end. There we go. All right, guys. So here we have it. Okay. So we have my packing slip. So I'm just going to go through and make sure I have everything that I'm supposed to have in here. All right, so we're just gonna move this box here off the counter, off our table, and we are just going to go through this thing here. Okay, let's get it going. Okay, let's move all our paper. First, we have what a lovely little book of postcards by Millie Murata, The Animal Kingdom, and they're all postcards. Nice postcards to color. Very pretty, very pretty. Very nice thick paper, so you can send it to whoever. And that picture there is familiar. That's on her Animal Kingdom book, but got the postcards here. Got two of those. One for me, one for one of you guys. Oh, I didn't know this book was going to be this tiny. Okay, I love coloring flowers. Oh, Rose Rosa. Okay, that's the only word. Oh, there we go. There, that's a larkspur. Oh, it has the names in here. Oh, a bluebell. I like this. Oh, this is so cute, and it's so pocket-sized. Oh, wow. Very cute. Got one of those. All right, we have Watercolor Made Easy portraits. You'll be able to discover dynamic techniques for creating lifelike heads and faces in watercolor. Okay, so we have some instructions going on here for watercoloring people. Okay, nice. The next one is acrylics, and that one's a little torn, but that's okay. Master translucent techniques for landscape painting. So this is teaching you how to paint with acrylic paint. Wow, okay. Got a little Bob Ross going on here, right here with this, guys. Excuse me. Next we have, excuse me, getting started. Ooh. I think I need some water. Hold on, guys. Let me go get something to clear my throat with. Okay. Got it. Done. Sorry. Mastering acrylic paint, getting started. So we have another acrylic paint book. Just showing you how to do that. They're very small and thin, and doesn't seem like it'll be telling you, you know, too much, but probably just enough. Oh, wow. Now, this is a huge, giant, thin book. It's Pastel Basics, How to Draw and Paint with Pastels and being able to blend the pastels. Okay. This is a very large book. Okay. Side strokes, cross hatching. Oh, it gives you a lot of great pastel techniques. Stippling, blending effects. Okay. And it gives you step by step in how to do it. All right, so we have that one. Okay. We also have quite a large one. These are huge, okay? And they're very thin. Character designs, how to draw and paint characters using pencil, pen. Okay, this is very nice. Teaches you how to draw faces. More. Sorry guys, had to get my Spanish on. That's the same book there. Now we have portraits, how to draw and paint, and you're using, I guess, acrylics, but there's drawing techniques showing you how to do and what to do. Have your color wheel in this one. That's nice. Very nice. So we have that one. I was hoping these books wouldn't be so huge, but they are like giant books. They're large, like large in scale, like in conjunction with the placemat, they're like this size. So they're very, very large, but they're thin. So this one is Discover Techniques for Painting Spring, Summer, and Autumn and Winter Step by Step, Drawing the Seasons, Painting the Seasons. I think that'll be nice to learn how to do. We can become some world-renowned artists in here. And we have 100 cartoon expressions, faces and expressions, teaching you how to draw the ears and lips and eyes and all kind of stuff. Emotions, all that kind of stuff. Face shapes. It's interesting. I think I like that. Now we have a couple more coloring books. Now this has very, very thick paper. I was wondering about this. Iconic Paris coloring book, 24 sites to send or frame. So you can use this as either a postcard or you can just frame it. And it's all Paris, the beautiful city of love. I guess that's what Paris is. I don't know. Okay, like that. Next, we have the Botanical Wonderland, a blissful coloring retreat by Rachel Reinert. Okay, Reinert. Okay, wow, this paper is amazing, guys. Oh my goodness, this is pretty thick paper. Wait a minute. Wow, $15.95 US, $18.95 Canadian. And yes, it's for mixed media. It says, enter into a world wonderland of exotic flowers, dreamy succulents, and underwater gardens to color, all created in mixed media artist Rachel Rainert's distinctive style. But it's on single-sided, high-quality paper with perforated, easy for framing and sharing. Wow. Oh, so they are perforated. This is very nice, guys. Okay, if you'd like to see a flip through of this, let me know. And And last but not least, I have the Scandinavian coloring book. There's a little rip here. It's a little torn, but that's really pretty how they have that. Isn't that pretty? That teal. So let's see what the Scandinavian coloring books are all about. It's from Lark. And Zina Shah is the print designer and illustrator from London. Okay, they're one-sided and very thick paper. Very good paper quality. But I can tell you right now, I'm not a fan of the illustrations. So I guess that's what Scandinavian means. That's what it means. And that's what it means. And that is kind of like Zentangle. Yeah, that's super Zentangled right there. It's nice, very nice with nice paper. You can do a lot with the background, but I'm just not into Zentangle at all. But don't get me wrong, it's a very nice coloring book. I love the quality of the pages and how they're one-sided and they're perforated. And that's it. I love this beautiful teal color though. This blue, oh, that's beautiful. So it's folk-inspired illustrations. Okay, so that's what it is. Textile designs. Okay, and I got that too. She brings alive traditional motifs and nature of wildlife with a stylish elegance. Very nice. $14.95 is the suggested retail. Okay, guys, so that's it. That is my book outlet haul that I was very, very happy to share with you guys. So it wasn't very big, but hey, I really, really liked all the stuff that I got. I'm really impressed. So thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. And I will be seeing you guys on the next video, okay? Happy coloring. Bye.